Raise up on it, pull down on it.
Where do I stop?
Just keep on a going. Oh yeah.
Doing a fine job, fine job. Muchos gracias, el camino el niño.
We're gonna spray some lubricant on them threads. You know what that does?
Mustard. No.
Lubricate. That's why they lubricant.
Why is it white? Why is it? What is white? White? What is? Why is it? What does it do?
Well, lubricant prevents two pieces of metal from rubbing together so hard that they fuse. You ever take two pieces of candy and get them wet and stick them together and you can't separate them? Lubricant would be something that you put between those two pieces of candy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah.
So the stuff to keep them from not sticking.
That's right. That's right. All right, you hold it first. All right. Now, A. Turd Leonard.
Yeah.
We got 5.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the way you want to do this is you go and you skip.
She's basically skip ones.
And so what we're gonna do, you're gonna do one, and she's gonna do one, and he's gonna do one. All right. Make sure that's pointing. All right, get this socket. That's a socket right there.
Mm-hmm.
That's a socket. And you get that on there, and you put it over the top of that. You don't want to get your face too close to anything when you're working on a car.
What?
Mash it. Tough, look. Yeah, all rear. Alright, we're gonna go to this one. A little more. Oh. Somebody grab the kids. Another big thing is you don't want to get your hair caught up in nothing that's spinning. Alright, go ahead. Alright. A little more. Y'all watch me do it. I want to show you this stuff, the meat of it. The important part is, you see how there's a ring right here?
Yeah.
Well, it's a little bit farther out up here than it is down here. If you can't see it, you could probably put your finger on it and feel it. But you want that wheel completely flat, because if it's higher, if it's out at the top and in at the bottom, when you're going down the road, it'll do like that and shake the whole car. All right, so watch. So we're gonna do this one, and watch the end of the socket to watch when it stops spinning. All right, we're gonna skip one of those. Skip wheel.
How is that like off the ground?
That floor jack over there.
Is that one of the flat tires?
No, this is a new tire. I just put it on.
And that one over there.
Mm-hmm.
Dad, you need to see our show.
Need to see our show. We'll go in and look at it. It was right up there. You can do it. You can do it. Watch out for little metal things sticking out.
Come on, Aubrey. We don't want it falling over you.
Doing a fine job. Good. 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 Get on the pile. You can do it. You can do it. All right. Good job. You got something on your hands. What'd you get on your hands?